Here at Fraser Robb's, we sell the Stihl AP battery range. So this is the HSA 100 hedge trimmer, which is part of the AP battery range. This is a great hedge trimmer for medium-sized gardens and also for commercial use. So this hedge trimmer has a 24-inch blade, double-sided, comes with a cover. It has the AP battery range in here, and it's two-handed use, so you have your safety feature here and also your on and off trigger here as well. It also has a really handy feature that you can change the direction of the hedge trimmer. So you click that round, change the handle, and you can now work at a different angle with this hedge trimmer. So the HSA 100 is with the AP battery range. So you can use a 200, a 300S or a 500S. Really easy to know where you are with the batteries. So this one's fully charged. It has 4 lights showing. It will go 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it's telling you it needs charged again. When the hedge trimmer is coming to the end of the battery, it will dip out once, then it will dip out a second time, so it's letting you know that you need to replace the battery or put the battery into the charger. On the AP battery range, you have 2 different chargers. The quick charger, which is the AL500, and there's also a standard charger, which is the AL301. The AP battery range just slips into the charger here. It has a light on it. It will be red when it's charging, and then it will go green when it's fully charged. Once it's fully charged, the charger will just switch off, so you can leave it in your shed on charge. So the hedge trimmer is really easy to use. You just drop the battery in. Like all of the ranges, it's just a double click just to push it straight in. And then you've got your safety feature and your handle at the front, and your on-off and your safeties here at the back. Very easy to use.